Hi everyone, in this video I am going to talk about this problem here. Alright, so it says factor p minus 2 to the third minus 125q to the third, and it gives you the hint that it is a difference of cubes. So the formula for the factoring the difference of cubes is a cubed minus b cubed. That will be a minus b, all right, a squared plus a b, all right, plus b squared. And remember that one of the ways to remember this, right, if you haven't heard of this before, is that these signs right here will always be the same. So those are both the same sign, negative in this case. And then these two signs will be the opposite of each other. So this one was negative and this one was positive. So this will be opposite. And then this sign at the end will always be positive. So a lot of times people remember, right, SOAP to remember the format for factoring the sum or the difference of two perfect cubes. All right, so now in this case, let me just, let me actually go back and undo that because I actually don't know why that mark was there, but I did want to actually highlight this. All right, this will be the A. All right, so the P minus 2 is the A in this case. And then all right, now, by the way, I probably should just say that I didn't need that extra parenthesis around the Q there. All right, and then the B will be the, all right, whatever is here to the third power. All right, so B, B, but I can rewrite the 125q to the third, since 125 is 5 to the third, then as 5 cubed q cubed, or just the quantity of 5q to the third. Now, by the way, if I didn't know that 125 was 5 to the third, I could just take the cube root of 125, and then I would see that it is 5. So in other words, right, that is true if and only if 5 to the third is 125. All right, so that is how I get that over there. All right, now, the one thing that I want you to sort of remember is that when you substitute the A and the B in right here, that I want you to make sure to put these in parentheses so that you don't make any mistakes with the simplifying. So this will be, right, since A was P minus 2, so P minus 2 minus, and the B was 5Q, so 5Q, and then times, all right, P minus 2 squared, then plus the P minus 2 times the 5Q, and then plus the 5Q squared. And now I can go ahead and just simplify this right here. So let's see what let's see what I get here. All right, so we see that this part right here. All right, there's just one term here, so 5Q. So this can just be written if I go in alphabetical order. All right, so P minus 5Q minus 2. Then this P minus 2 squared is P minus 2 times P minus 2. And then here I need to distribute the 5Q So I have plus 5pq minus 10q. And then I have here, all right, 5q times 5q, which is 25q squared. Now, this is why I said to be careful about the parentheses here, because I see here, then if I need to simplify this further, I'll need to distribute here with the p minus 2 times p minus 2. All right, so I'm left with p minus 5q minus 2, and then what do we have? We have p squared minus 2p minus 2p plus 4, and then this is a plus sign here, so I don't need to really worry about an issue of distributing here. So then I have, all right, so let's see, plus 5pq minus 10q plus 25q squared, and I'll try to move that over a little bit there, and oh boy, all right, there we go. So now I will see if there are any like terms here, and I see that I do have the 2p and 2p here. All right, and then this term has a p squared, that one a constant, a pq, a q, and a q squared. So that's pretty much all that I can do here is combine the two p's here. So I have p minus 5q minus 2 times p squared minus 4p plus 4 plus 5pq minus 10q plus 25q squared. All right, so that would be my final answer, because I wouldn't actually go ahead and multiply that out, since it did say to factor. So what I've done here is left this original expression as a product of two factors, this factor and this factor over here. So this is how I would factor that p minus 2 to the third minus 125q to the third. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this and that it was helpful, and thank you and have a great day.